Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 4130 series. What I want to do is to show you how to reset the network and also show you how to restore factory default setting to reset the network. This printer is currently connected to network. Wi-Fi light is steady on. So the printer is connected to network. If you want to reset the network, you need to press the cancel and wireless button. Press them and hold them together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then you release it. The power on button will flash. Then you wait for the light to come on the wireless button. The light is highlighting. So now this printer is in a wireless mode. So you can reconnect the printer back to network. What I want to do is to show you how to restore factory default setting. This printer is currently connected to a Wi-Fi network. You see a steady Wi-Fi light, and the printer is also connected to the laptop. It's showing us ready. I want to show you how to reset this printer to factory default setting. If there's any problem with the network or there's a problem with the connection method, you can reset the printer to factory default setting. To do that, you need to open up the ink access door, open the door, then press the power on button and the wireless button together for 3 seconds. Press and hold them together. 1, 2, 3. The light will turn off, the wireless light will turn off. Then wait for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then you close the cover. You just need to wait until the light comes back on the wireless button. If you look on the printer, it's showing us offline. So you need to wait until the light comes back on the wireless button. But the printer is no longer connected to network. If you want to connect it to network, you need to reconnect it and put a password for the Wi-Fi network to connect it. If you look on the laptop, the printer is showing us offline. The light is back on, and now the light is now flashing. If you want to connect it, then you need to put the printer in a wireless mode. You need to press the cancel and Wi-Fi button together for 3 seconds. Then for you to reconnect the printer to a network. But if you look on the laptop, the printer is showing us offline. So this is how to restore factory default setting for this printer. This tutorial is applicable to all the HP Deskjet 4100 series. Thank you very much indeed.